In today's rapidly evolving marketplace, speed drives success. Speed increases capacity. Speed gives you a competitive edge. To achieve that competitive edge, Paper Machinery Corporation takes cup forming technology to the next level. Introducing the PMC 1003. Building on the legacy of the PMC 1002, the PMC 1003 delivers the fastest production speeds ever, up to 330 cups per minute. From deck to drive, the PMC 1003 is a showcase of PMC technology. The Sidewall blank feed system features a servo-driven rotary head for consistent operation. The hopper's position at waist height makes loading pre-printed die-cut sidewall blanks convenient without reaching, stretching, or straining. An optional cartridge-style blank hopper is available, reducing tool change time by 1 hour. Roll feeding of sidewalls is also an option. A continuous motion rotary feeder picks the sidewall blank from the hopper and places it onto the transfer turret, where it is held in place by a pair of grippers. The transfer turret transports the sidewall blank utilizing a magnetic gripper design. At the heat station, PMC's patented flameless hot air system directs superheated air at the blank side seam and bottom seal surfaces in preparation for cup forming. The heated sidewall blank is then transported to the folding wings by the transfer turret. Meanwhile, a servo feeder guides bottom stock from the bottom stock unwind stand into the bottom maker station. The compact bottom stock unwind stand conserves floor space. On-the-fly splicing of a new roll keeps the machine running, eliminating roll changeover breaks. At the bottom maker station, the bottom disc is punched from the web. Vacuum holds the bottom disc onto the end of the mandrel for transport to the bottom preheater station. The bottom preheat station preheats the disc in preparation for sealing. The bottom disc then advances to the folding wings, where it is combined with the sidewall blank to form the basic cup shell. To ensure that the wrap is consistent for each cup, the sidewall blank is secured to the mandrel by the bottom seam clamp. The cam-actuated folding wings then wrap the blank around the mandrel. Finally, the seam clamp seals the side seam of the shell. Next, the cup shell is transported to the bottom heat station, where the flameless hot air system heats the bottom edge of the sidewall. At the roller in-curl station, the bottom of the shell is turned inward. The bottom is completed at the bottom finish station. Next, the cup is transferred into a pocket on the rimming turret by a combination of compressed air and vacuum. Once at the rimming turret, the cup's top curl is formed to complete the process. The tamper lube station first seats the cup into the pocket and lubricates the top edge of the cup to facilitate top curl formation. Next, the cup's top edge is partially curled at the first and second rimming stations, and the curl is completed at the rimming finish curl station. Finally, the finished cups are blown off the rimming turret. Tubing transports finished cups to a PMC CS251 counter stacker for stacking and packing. The PMC 1003 was designed for speed, safety, and performance. Quality control checks during production are effortless with an optional diverter. A color touchscreen controls operation of the PMC 1003. The screen's icons are easy to understand and designed to be simple to manipulate. The Machine PLC controls heater settings and machine timing over a selection of preset speeds. Alarm screens indicate machine faults along with diagnostic and troubleshooting information. And production data screens provide performance information such as output and runtime. The machine's superstructure contains many of the electrical and other utility runs. This results in an uncluttered, easy-to-clean machine base. Opening a single safety guard on the PMC 1003 provides full access to one entire side of the machine. The safety guards raise vertically, permitting installation of machines close together. An oil bath lubrication system keeps all gears, cams, chains, and other moving components below the base constantly submerged in lubricant. This helps to minimize wear and extend preventive maintenance cycles. When raised, the oil bath pan gives the PMC 1003 a trim appearance. The flagship of the PMC line, the PMC 1003 is a production powerhouse for large volume converters. It forms a wide variety of tapered paperboard or plastic cups and containers from 3 ounces to 32 ounces for global markets, including food and beverage, snacks, and frozen desserts. In today's competitive economy, speed isn't optional, it's essential. The PMC 1003 builds on the success of its predecessors, leading the way to new levels of productivity.